Visit kraftixdigital.in. Look for the search bar. Search for paper boxes and give your packaging an upgrade. Now, select Custom Paper Boxes. Head to the Customization panel. Now select your preferred size, then quantity. Next, choose the material suits your needs and get started with that. Either upload your design or choose Custom Design. Upload your background files here and fit it perfectly to the custom box template. Choose the background at first, then the artworks. Now position and resize your artwork to fit perfectly within the box boundaries. Designing your own paper boxes is easier than you think. Then review it in 3D before production. Now add your product design to your cart and proceed to checkout. Everything looks good, so continue to payment to complete your order. After receiving the confirmation, your free design approval will be on the way. Get your custom boxes ready in 3 to 4 working days.